Hi, hello friends. Welcome to Alaparegal. Today we are going to see Inception movie explanation. Inception. This movie was written and directed by Christopher Nolan. This is one of the best film in terms of all categories, including box office in Nolan's career. For this movie, Nolan puts approximately 10 years of effort. This film stars Leonardo DiCaprio, Ken Watibani, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, Tom Hardy, and many more characters. Inception. Inception is nothing but seeding an idea in deeper mind. Coming to characters' name, in this film, main characters are Dom, Robert, Eames, Arthur, Mal, Saito. By taken first letter from their name, it comes as dreams. D for Dom, R for Robert, E for Eames, A for Arthur, M for Mal, S for Saito. They are playing very important roles in dreams. Supporting characters are Peter, Ariandi, Yusuf. By taken first letter from their names, it comes as Pay. These characters are playing very less role in dreams. By using dreams, they are earning money. Okay, let's start film story. Cobb, Arthur, Eames are professional thieves. They are stealing information from their target's mind. Leonardo DiCaprio, who is playing Cobb's role, accused for his wife's murder. So he escapes from police and came away from his country. So his aim is to go back to his home and live with his children. In the starting of the film, Cobb and his team are in a mission from Cobalt Engineering to steal secret information from Saito, a businessman. Almost they done their job of stealing information from Saito's mind, but Saito realizes that this is dream. So Cobb's mission failed, but Saito have another plan for Cobb. He offers Cobb another mission and assures that if he completes this mission successfully, Saito helps Cobb to reunite with his family. In that mission, Saito wants to beat his competitor company. So he wanted to do Inception for his competitor company's owner, Robert. Before we continue to the remaining story, we need to understand what is dream, what is totem, and character development. Coming to dream's logic, important thing in dream is we didn't know the starting of the dream. In dream, we just come to the place or situation abruptly without any origin. And if you die in the dream, you will come out of the dream to reality. But based on the dream's creating chemical, it differs. If it is the strongest chemical used for creating dreams, if we die in the dream, it will take us to limbo. Limbo is nothing but dream world at the time. In reality, you are in coma. Coming to the working of totem. Totem is nothing but an object. With the help of that object, we can understand which is real world and which is dream. Simply we can say, totem helps to differentiate dream and reality. So each person who are doing this dream stealing job having totem. Let's see totem working shown in this film one by one. First we start with Arthur. Arthur having dice has his totem. That dice having some unique properties which is known for him only. In real world, if he spins his dice, it will usually fall on 5 because it is a loaded dice. But in dream, if Arthur spins his dice, it will fall on any number, any random number. Ariandi having bishop as her token, as a totem. In the bottom of that bishop, she puts a small hole, so it changes the center of gravity of that bishop coin. Ariandi only knows the property of that bishop coin. Eames having poker chips as his totem. In that poker chip, Mosamba is mentioned with double S, but real spelling of Mosamba having single S. Cobb using spinning top as his totem. In real world, the spinning top falls at one point, but in dream it doesn't fall. It continuously spins without ending. Coming to characters development, Cobb is playing as a director role in dream. He is the head and controlling everyone. Arthur is playing as a screenwriter. Maximum of the dreams are designed by Arthur and he knows how it goes. Saito is playing as a businessman role. We can consider him as a producer. Eames is playing as an important role in Inception. In Cobb's dream also. Ariandi plays as a dream architect. We can say her as art director. Yusuf giving technical support to the dream, coming as chemist. Robert is playing as an opponent company's owner. Now we can continue the remaining story of Inception movie. Saito, Cobb, Eames, Arthur, Ariandi, Yusuf trying to do Inception for Robert. They did background verification and started work. Robert have already a fight with his father. Their plan is using three dreams they are going to do Inception. In first dream, using fight between Robert and his father, Cobb and team seed an idea that after this, for everything, I am not dependent to my father. In second dream, they said, I will build a new empire, new company of my own. I didn't follow my father's path. In third dream, said, I am totally different from my father's path. They chose Robert's journey from Sydney to Los Angeles. After Cobb and team and Robert entered in first dream, Cobb and team kidnapped Robert. But Robert's mind triggers defense mechanism to protect him. So, from the defense mechanism, Cobb and team escaped and kidnapped Robert and kick off Dream 2. In Dream 2, Robert, Cobb and his team were in a hotel and started to seed the second idea and kick off third dream. In third dream, they tried to seed the third idea, but it goes wrong. Unfortunately, Saito goes into limbo and Robert also shot. So Cobb and Ariandi creates another dream, fourth dream. And in that, Cobb and Ariandi saves Robert and completes their mission. And all returns to reality except Cobb. Cobb finally rescues Saito from limbo and they too also returns to reality. So finally they completed their mission and Cobb reunites with his family at the final shot of the film. Cobb wants to check is it a dream or reality. So he spins his spinning top, but director leaves the decision of spinning top in our hands. So now we are going to see the possible endings. One ending is Cobb came out of dream and reunite with his family because at the ending shot the spinning top started to fall. Or the second ending is Cobb is still in his dream and the spinning top didn't fall. Or maybe he is in another person's dream who knows the secret of Cobb's totem, because in one shot Saito knows the logic of Cobb's totem and he used it to spin Cobb's totem and know that he is in dream. In this Inception film, we have three stories. One is Cobb's story. Cobb is accused for his wife's murder. So he tie up with big companies to come out of his wife's murder case. Finally, he succeeds with his attempt and reunites with his family. Second story is Saito wants to beat his competitor company and he became number one. So he tie up with Dream Stealers. They created a dream in that he confuses opponent company owner and finally he succeeds in his attempt and seed an idea in Robert's mind that Robert do not follow his father's path, do not take over his father's company. Third story is Robert, an upcoming businessman, have problems with his father. He thought his father didn't like him and he have no trust on him, but finally Robert realizes that his father trusts him and loves Robert. Thanks for watching. It's a must-watch movie. Do check it out.